Now, some of us have been around long enough to have taken a class in school called typing. And one of the things you have to learn in typing class is how to justify the margins, right? To put things where they belong, to put everything so that it's in a right relationship with everything else on the page. You get that image? Paul says that's what Jesus does for us. Jesus justifies us. We are put in the right relationship with God. That's a new life. Isn't that good news?